hauled, pulled or dragged something. He hauled the heavy box across the room. They hauled the boat to the shore. Flippant. Not serious, joking when you should not. His flippant answer annoyed the teacher. She gave a flippant reply to a serious question. Asseverated. Said something very strongly and seriously. He asseverated that he was telling the truth. She asseverated her promise in front of everyone. Prowess. Great skill or ability. He showed his strength and prowess in the game. Her cooking prowess impressed the guests. Gigantic. Very big. They saw a gigantic building in the city. The elephant looked gigantic in front of them. Abominably. In a very bad or unpleasant way. He behaved abominably at the party. The food tasted abominably bad. Embroiled. Involved in a difficult situation or conflict. He became embroiled in an argument. She was embroiled in a serious problem. Spotless. Very clean. The room was spotless and shining. She kept her clothes spotless. Squalid. Very dirty and unpleasant. They lived in a squalid area. The room looked squalid and messy. Parched. Very thirsty or dry. He felt parched after walking in the sun. The land was parched without rain. Preposterous. Very silly or impossible to believe. His idea sounded preposterous. That excuse is completely preposterous. Real. To feel dizzy or lose balance. He began to reel after the shock. She reeled from the sudden news. Sophistry. False arguments that sound true. His speech was full of sophistry. She saw through his clever sophistry. Haphazard. Done without planning. The work was done in a haphazard way. His notes were written in a haphazard style. Fray. A fight or struggle. He stepped into the fray to help his friend. The players got into a heated fray. Ensconced. Sitting or settled comfortably. She was ensconced in a soft chair. He sat ensconced by the window. Accredited. Officially approved. The school is an accredited institution. He joined an accredited course. Ambit. Range or area of something. This topic falls within the ambit of science. The project is within his ambit. Barrister. A lawyer who speaks in court. He works as a barrister in the city. The barrister presented the case clearly. Ravenous. Very hungry. He was ravenous after a long day. The children felt ravenous after playing. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.